Hey guys, this is Will Hader. We're doing Packet Tracer 6434. This is, of course, for the CCNA course number 3 for the course or for the ultimate goal of becoming a certified Cisco Network Associate. Now, we're doing the Eigrp for IPv6 this time. I did a video just a little bit ago for the IPv4. But we're going to try to do the IPv6, and a few different commands, a little bit different, not too bad though, and we'll get her going. Okay, so on enable IPv6 routing on each router, we'll do this kind of one at a time, just so we can get all the commands that we need to. All right, so for getting to the configuration terminal, and we want to enable IPv6 Unicast routing. That's the command that turns on IPv6 routing because it's not normally turned on. So we'll do that. Right there. Let's see. IPv6 routing is shut down by default. Issue a command that will enable Eigrp for IPv6 routing 1, 2, and 3. Enable the Eigrp process in all routing and use 1 as the automatic. Okay, so IPv6 router Eigrp with the autonomous system 1. We'll give the no shutdown command because typically it is shut down by default, the Eigrp for IPv6. We got to turn that process on as well. Then we have to give the command the Eigrp routing ID right here. So we're going to name it just as a unique name, and that's just all ones for router 1. Okay, I think we're done in the Eigrp process. We're just going to do a quick little lookup. I think that's it. So we're going to exit out of here, and then we're going to go over to our interfaces. So we're going to turn on this for each one of these interfaces: G00, S000, and S001. And all we're doing is just telling the router that on these interfaces we want Eigrp version 6 for our IPv6. Okay, so those 3 are done. Again, we do the IPv6 unicast routing to turn IPv6 routing on for the router. And then IPv6 router Eigrp1. And then we have to turn it on for the protocol as well. Come on. And you see, as soon as we brought up that interface and it's talking with the other router, an adjacency formed. It says, hey, we're neighbors. We're just going over to the interfaces and turning it on for that one, those guys as well. See another one of those adjacencies formed, and we'll get one more when we do the interface S001. And there it is. And we got 100 points. Man, what did that take? 5 minutes? Jeepers. So then you can kind of go through and answer some of these questions. Like you can do the show, or not questions as much as just look at some of the interfaces and what's going on behind it. So if you do this command here, you're going to see that the neighbor adjacencies have formed. You're going to be able to look at the routing table as it's being built. You'll notice that anything with a D in front of it, the D code is with the Eigrp. Show protocols, you'll see that IPv6 Eigrp is working, and then just be able to ping this. So go ahead and take the time to do these. It's very helpful for you just to see kind of the inner workings of what's going on for the router, and then make sure that you can ping each other on the PCs. Otherwise, you didn't do something correctly. All right, guys, if you have any questions at all, post them below. Love you guys. Thank you very much for all the views. You guys are awesome. Talk to you later. Peace.